Out of the window of this wound, I whisper the names of my grandparents. Over the hill village, where the house I never knew sits, I see aging olive trees and those flamingos called freedom. Out of the window of this wound, I chant the old songs for bleeding villages where we cannot return. For the injured and the killed on the border of the dreams, with their ripped kites, their burning tires, and homemade masks. Out of the window of this wound, the jasmine attempts to ease the stench of tires, tear gas, fresh blood. Out of the window of this wound, cloistered in the forced darkness of my bedroom, I sing for my war-torn self. Watch the skies for clues, flares, flamingos.